Hey, it's Steve with Diamond Home Remodeling. Has your home been affected by storm damage? Most homeowners are unaware that they even have a problem. Diamond Home Remodeling provides a free inspection to determine your need. And why pay out of pocket? Diamond Home Remodeling specializes in both roofing and siding, and we will be your no-cost representation to your insurance company. Next, I'll be talking about our company, Diamond Home Remodeling, our credentials, and the insurance restoration process. Damage can go unnoticed by the untrained eye and even an experienced adjuster. If it hasn't already, this kind of damage will create a problem within 6 months to a year. That is why it is so important to notify your insurance company. It is your responsibility as an insured homeowner to notify them of any potential issues. At the very least, they can document our concerns, and if you experience a problem down the road, you are covered. 5 items you must look for when doing any home improvement project. 1. Quality of material. 2. Quality of insulation. 3. Reliability of the company. 4. Your warranties. 5. Price versus value. Diamond Home Remodeling uses all the top manufacturers in North America. Here's our IKO Roof Pro and our CertainTeed Shingle Master certification. You can also find us on their websites as preferred contractors. Quality of insulation. All of Diamond Home Remodeling's master craftsmen are single sourced, no day laborers. They all have many years of experience in their own respective trades. Each crew is also certified by all of our manufacturers. Being a certified contractor with each manufacturer is so important because each manufacturer's specifications are different. For example, CertainTeed must be installed by their specifications and IKO by theirs. If this is not done properly, your warranties will not be worth the paper they are written on. Diamond Home Remodeling is a Maryland-based company. We have a stamp of approval from all of our product manufacturers. These companies stand behind our labor and craftsmanship to allow us to be able to offer the manufacturer's highest warranty. Diamond Home Remodeling also stands behind our mission statement and our pledge of commitment to our customers. Diamond Home Remodeling supports these worthy causes that mean so much to our associates and our customers. Diamond Home Remodeling offers a referral bonus per referral that goes into production. This is a way to help with the only expense you are obligated to cover, which is your deductible when getting your project approved by the insurance company. You will also be helping your family members, friends, and coworkers protect their home, or even raise the value of the neighborhood by getting us in the door with your neighbors. The most important thing you want to see when dealing with any contractor is that they are licensed, bonded, and insured. Copies of all the company's credentials will be provided in the packet I'm leaving you with today. Here is our general contractor's license as well as our salesman license. Our bonding with the Maryland Home Improvement Commission protects you as the homeowner. Finally, and most importantly, our insurance. Diamond Home Remodeling carries $1 million of liability insurance, and all of our installers carry up to $1 million of workers' compensation. Diamond Home Remodeling is proud to say that we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, as well as 5 stars on Home Advisor, and you can also find us on social media. Each manufacturer we use not only offers a material warranty, but labor as well. We also include our craftsmanship warranty with each full roofing and siding replacement. Price versus value. This is a no-brainer. You're getting your roof and/or siding for the cost of your deductible, and all of the perks of working with Diamond Home Remodeling. Over the years, Diamond Home Remodeling has worked with many different insurance companies. Here are just a few, for example. Insurance restoration process. A copy of the entire process is also in the packet that I will leave you with today. That way you understand where we're at every step of the way. Diamond Home Remodeling does something to ensure our promise agreement to all of our clients and the insurance companies we work with. This agreement is faxed to your insurance provider before we begin. This document states that you will not be charged anything for our service but the job itself, whether it be a repair or full replacement. And if you are denied your claim, you'll owe us nothing. Thank you for taking the valuable time out of your day, and we look forward to working with you.